friends, welcome to our mathematics program for grade 7. Today we are going to talk about reflection. Actually, it is the third and last part of the program on reflection. So, what have you learned so far? We have seen how to reflect what? Points, line segments and plane figures, to reflect them in the x-axis, the y-axis, horizontal, vertical lines, as well as slant lines, right? So what are we going to see today? Well, today we are going to see how to locate and draw the mirror line or the line of reflection when we are given the object and the image, right? So let's see how to do that. Now, first of all, we're going to see how to locate the line of reflection. Now, you are given a point and you are given its image. What you need to do is to find the line of reflection. Well, how do you do it? It's simple. You just need to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. Let's see with an example. Now, given that the point A, which is the point 2 minus 2, you can see it here, 2 minus 2, that's the point, and this one is the image. So the image is 2, 2. I say it again, the point is 2 minus 2. Here, it has been mapped onto 2, 2, which is the image, okay? So you are asked to locate and to draw the mirror line. Well, how do we proceed? Now, first, you will join the point A to A1. Okay, so you will get a line segment, the line segment A1. And then what do? Well, we are going to bisect this line. How do you do it? You will use your pair of compasses, put it on A1, you will draw an arc, as you can see here, and you draw another arc, okay? And then you put it on A, you will cut the first arc drawn. Exactly. Now, what do you need to do? Well, we are going to join the two intersections, okay? So, let's do that again so that it is simpler for you. First step, you will draw the line segment A1. That's the first step. Secondly, you will bisect this line segment. Don't forget, you use your pair of compasses to do that. Thirdly, you will join the two intersections of the arc. Okay? Remember, in reflection, the distance between the point and the line, okay, the mirror line, should be the same as the distance between the image and the mirror line. Here it is the same. Let's see another example. Right, so now you are given a line segment BC. As you can see, the line segment BC, it has been mapped onto the line segment B1, C1 under a reflection. You are asked to draw the axis of reflection. Okay, let's try it. Now, first step, you will join B to B1. Okay, you've got a line segment. Second step, well, we are going to bisect this line segment. Remember to use your pair of compasses, exactly. And thirdly, you will join the intersection of the two arcs, right? So, here, in our case, the line of reflection or the mirror line or the axis of reflection is the line x equal to 3. We move on to another example. Now, given the triangle FGH, right, it has been mapped onto FG1H1. Okay, now you are asked to draw the line of reflection. Remember, we said that in the earlier videos. The point F, right, it has not moved, okay? If it has not moved, what does it mean? It means that F lies on the invariant line, that is the reflection line, okay? right? So let's check whether that's really the case. What do we do to find the line of reflection? Well, you will join 2 points, that is G to G1, okay? You've got your line segment. What do you need to do? Well, you need to bisect. So we bisect it. And that's it. And then you join the points exactly. So you can see that the point F lies on the line of reflection, which is in our case the y-axis, that is the line x equal to 0. We move on to another example. Now, this time you've got a parallelogram. Given that the parallelogram KLMN, as you can see, KLMN, it has been mapped onto the parallelogram K1, L1, M1, and N1, right? It has been mapped by a reflection. You are asked to find the axis of reflection. Same thing. First step, you will join a point and its image. Therefore, you have a line segment. Then what do we need to do? Well, we are going to bisect. How do we bisect? We use your pair of compasses. You bisect, you join, and that's it. So in our case, this time, the reflection, the line of reflection, or the mirror line, it is the line y equal to -2. Good. One more example. Now look at this one. You are given the square PQRS, right? It is said that this square has been mapped onto P1, Q1, R1, and S, right? So what happened now? You see that S? Okay, it has not moved, right? So if it has not moved, what does it mean? It means that the point S lies on the line of reflection. Okay. What do we need to do? Well, you need to locate and draw this line. How do we do that? You join the point and its image, P1, okay? Next step, well, you're going to bisect this line. Use your pair of compasses, you bisect it, and then what do we need to do? You just need to join the intersection of these two arcs, right? There you are. This time, as you can see, your line of reflection, okay, is a slant line. Remember, slant line, it is neither horizontal nor vertical. Now, this example, you're given a kite, right? So the kite ABCD has been mapped onto A1, B1, C1, and D1. Okay, so you are asked to draw the line of reflection. When you look at it, it looks rather messy, right? Well, you can get something like that for the exam, so better you know how to do it. Well, what do we need to do? First step, you will join a point and its image, always. You've got a line segment, right? Now, what do we need to do? Well, we're going to bisect this line. That's it. You bisect it and then you join the points. Okay? So this time as well, you've got a slant line as the line of reflection. Now, a few exercises for you to practice. You need to do that. Don't forget, you need to practice. Now, in the first exercise, you are given a triangle ABC, which has been mapped onto A1, B1, and C1 under a reflection. You are asked to draw the line of reflection. You're expert at it now, all right? Don't forget, you join first step, you join the point and its image. Second step, you bisect the line, and the bisection is the line of reflection. Number 2, given that the parallelogram OPQR has been mapped onto OP1, Q1, R1 under a reflection, you are asked to draw this line of reflection. Okay? What can you see here? Well, the O, it has not moved. You know what does that mean now? We try another one. Given the rectangle KLMN, right? This rectangle has been mapped onto K1, L1, M1, and N1. Okay? So you're asked to find the axis of reflection. A fourth one, you've got a triangle ABC. This triangle has been mapped onto A1, B1, C1 under a reflection. You are asked to draw the line of reflection. Number 5, you've got a triangle KLM. This triangle has been mapped onto K, L1, and M. Under a reflection, you're asked to draw the axis of reflection. Be careful here. K and M have not moved. You know what does that mean? Number 6, given the trapezium PQRS has been mapped onto P1, Q1, R1, and S. Okay? You have to draw the line of reflection, or the mirror line, or the axis of reflection. Right, so what have we seen today? We have seen how to locate and to draw the mirror line or the axis of reflection. Okay? In the previous program, you have been taught how to reflect, point, line segment, and plane figures. Okay? So you've got everything you need to know on reflection. What you have to do now, dear friends, is to work through the exercises in this video and in your textbook. You need to go through that. Okay? You may ask for help if need be, but you need to go through these exercises. Okay? So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.